Hello? Hello? Hawaiian Airlines? I need a valet to my hotel. Oh, you already here? Oh, what the fuck? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog, and today we are review some Grand Hyatt, and let's see what can we get for our money, because like price start from 200 to 10,000. So let's see. And the lobby located in like a 4th floor.
Everything's closed.
Yeah, everything is closed. Let's check in.
Going up. 4.
New Grand Hyatt just opening, and let's check this out. Guys, welcome to my room, and let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this. It's Candice. Thank you. So this is a living room, you see? Beautiful. Italian coffee maker. I remember last time in Paris. So let's move to master bedroom. Master bedroom, look, with the airport view and bay view. And here you like wake up and see like, wow, what's more? Oh, I see you. You forgot give me like and subscribe my channel. So time to subscribe. Let's continue. So this is my favorite part. You line here and see like a huge mountains, bays, airplanes, cars. So it's really good sweet. So guys, subscribe my channel. Yes, dude. What are you doing? You wanna give me something?
Yeah, it's a compliment.
Compliment?
They say a bottle of wine.
No way. 2 snacks and beverage.
Or half a bottle of wine.
No. We promised to ourselves do not drink. So what should I do? Huh?
1 month and a half.
1 month and a half, and hotels to give to us like a free wine with the fucking complimentary candies. Oh. Fuck wine. Yes. Fuck wine.
You need a body, fucking body.
Yeah.
See? Abs.
I am fucking awesome.
Abs.
Almost. Look. It's a blue one, your favorite color. Look. What do you think? This TV is moving or no? No, it's not moving. Look.
We have a shuttle.
Yeah, we have a shuttle to our hotel. It's a good way to get your plane. It's so cool. I wanna go to like Rio de Janeiro, but
You see, there's a plane. It's taking off.
yeah, it's taking off. We're gonna watch today. I wanna go to Rio, but right now it's coronavirus. I can go. Okay. What's more here? Let's check. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. For massage rolling. Let me.
That's if you had like a long flight and now you have a jet lag, right? Oh my gosh.
Oh, so good. Oh, some good stuff. Umbrella. Oh yeah, umbrella. Yeah, it's a cool stuff. You know? Two bathrooms. Look. This is good quality. Oh wow, sleepers. I love sleepers. And some like laundry bags. And this for like use. Let's explore. Maybe we have some more here. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, look. This is the best. basement. I love it because like I hate in hotels dirty floor and I hate to step here. But this guy is very good.
And what's over there?
Guess.
I don't know.
Bye bye.
Oh, okay.
It's like a top. Like sit here, thinking, and like choose any of the like massage button about your butt. So what's more? What's more here? Grand Hyatt hand sanitizer, laser. I don't know why. Is it pinkish? Maybe I look like a little bit beautiful. And some like extra service. Here, what we have here? Shoe bag and shoe service. Okay, now I'm ready to jump in. Ba-bam! Hello? Hello? Hawaiian Airlines? I need a wallet to my hotel. Oh, you already here? Oh, what the fuck? Ah! Oh, what's up?
Hey, Jude, wake up. You're gonna miss your plane. It's already here. Look, one is here. The other one is here. Wow, what's going on? We have 3 airplanes.
You like, wake up, head into the bathroom, brush your teeth, and bam, parking lot for airplanes.
No hands. Give it to me.
Guys, I sleep tonight very well and I wanna know what kind of mattress here. Let's check. Exclusively for Hyatt luxury. It's actually so good. And you, dude, huh? Sleep well? Yeah, well, so good. Okay, this is the fitness center in Grand Hyatt. Yeah, looking good. And this guy is the fat killer. Wow, I love it. So professional. Guess. Of course, running. So, this is my personal coach. Let's get started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Merrick. Welcome to your strength class focused on
yacht by this coronavirus time. Floor mat, you see, like clean. Fuck it, let's kill her. Oh my god. I'm done today this workout. Heading to the room. Let's see how clean it is. 4 people here. 9th floor. So, little guide about coronavirus all the way down to our room. I hope it's clean. I think I'm good. Come on in. Yeah, it's clean. New coffee. I leave like this message and say thank you. Water. This water from hotel brand. It's aluminum cans. You know, probably can cost more expensive than water. And this water I bring with me. Here you go. Clean. My bathroom. Here is clean. Everything is clean. And I request the extra pocket with the salt for bath. You know, like a bump. And this guy, I love it. You know, press this button. Here you go. Press again. Here you go. You my the best friend. Hey dude, is clean? You like it?
I don't know. You were just.
How clean? It's really good. And I show you the safe. And I enter. Don't look. Don't look. Bam! My watch, my GoPro camera with the frame. Actually, it's really good. See, like, pams, pams. What's the maximum rate per day? Maximum room rate $10,000 per day.
It's not worse than.
Yes, but it's just say on the door. You know, like when we last year stayed in another hotel here in San Francisco, it's like Hyatt place cost like $400. Remember?
It's vanilla, baby.
Train is coming. Now we are heading to airport gate and we have connection. So probably we can reach this train from lobby. Let's see. What do we have here? Grand Hyatt station. Oh my gosh, look at this, is our room!
Please hold on.
It's so easy to get Terminal 1 or International Terminal from our hotel. It's like in a second, you know?
Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah.
Yes, that's probably
traffic.
most important part when you between stop in San Francisco. Very easy and not so far from downtown San Francisco. It's really empty, you know. It's a huge international airport and no people. Oh my gosh. I should use my Lysol. You see? This all locals fly. No international. Okay guys, now I'll show you what happened in International Airport San Francisco. Look, just a couple of people here. It's super empty. Before you touch it, spray it. Then touch it. Now we are at lobby. Small one. A couple tables over there. Here you see, you can sit here and work and see some fireplace. Oh, here you go, it's more table on the second floor. Let's take a stair.
Yeah, this is a restaurant, but it's closed.
Really? Sure. It's a Hawaiian?
You see? I love it, California.
Have like hand sanitizer. Okay guys, time to leave. We pack all the luggage. I always leave some tips. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. I miss about you. Hotel is really good. Yes, dude. Do you like this hotel? Yeah, me too. And this dude as well. Like. So, what do you suggest to people who wanna stay here for like a business trip, or more like tourist people, or what is?
What do you mean about hotel?
Yeah, about hotel.
Take a corner suite. It's really cool. It's a great experience.
Yeah, and I mean, like, do you recommend to stay here, or like it's so-so?
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up? But you know, like, the only one question: how come this room become $10,000? That's the only one point. When it's $10,000, it's not worth it at all. Do not stay here. But in general, it's like good hotel for like a good experience. You see, like, you wake up from your bed and like see some airplanes, start line. You know, it's a good money. You see like a train here. You can like take elevator to 4th floor. And you on the train station, you know? It's pretty cool. And give me likes. Mwah.